Now we are having few more terms related to the concept of periodic table, and in which the first one is we are having that are valence electrons. Now what are valence electrons? The electrons which occupied the last shell, that is the valence shell, they are called the valence electrons. Suppose in the periodic table, the first element we are having hydrogen, and the second one we are having helium. First hydrogen, and then we are having helium, and then we have lithium, beryllium, and like this boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, like this. Okay, so next we are having hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, and so on. Now we will see here, as we are moving from left to right, here hydrogen is having atomic number 1, here helium is having atomic number 2. As we are moving from left to right, the atomic number is increasing, so the valence electrons increases. As we are moving from left to right along a period, the valence electrons increases, because in the first element hydrogen we are having only one valence electron which is occupied here. On the second element helium we are having two valence electrons. Actually this is the noble gas configuration. Now in the lithium we are having 1 2 3 one valence electron, and similarly for beryllium, first shell is occupied, secondly 2 electrons. So as we are moving from left to right in a period, the valence electrons are increases. Now we will examine the group top to bottom. Let me consider it. Suppose hydrogen having atomic number 1, lithium, hydrogen is having atomic number 1, so configuration is first shell 1 electron, lithium 3, first shell completely filled, second shell. We are having next sodium, that is 11 atomic number, so 281, first shell is completely filled, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the last shell we are having 1 electron. So we are observing here 1 1 1. In the outermost shell only 1 electron, so there will be no change down the group. There will be no change down the group in the periodic table in valence electrons. Number 2 we are having atomic size. Now as we are moving from left to right, hydrogen to helium, lithium to beryllium, boron, carbon, we are observing that like lithium, its electronic configuration is 1 2 1, so 2 and 1. Okay, we are observing here carbon is having atomic number 6, electronic configuration is 2 4, 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so electrons are occupied in the same shell, so atomic size not increases, instead it decreases. Now why it is decreased? Because as more and more electrons are filling inside the shells, the nucleus charge of the nucleus goes on increasing. The nuclear charge increases, which automatically attracts the electron towards itself, so there is the reduction of the size takes place. That is why the atomic size decreases as we move from left to right or along a period. Atomic size decreases. Clear? And as we will move from top to bottom, as we are observing here, first shell, second shell, third shell, the number of shells are increased, so top to bottom atomic size increases. Clear to you?